Well, hey there guys, it's your favorite backyard geographer out in the garage, going through my junk, and I thought of you. You know, in 1996, Disneyland would say farewell to one of its most prized parades after twinkling and delighting guests nightly since 1972. After the final performance, Disney would strip the parade and provide guests a chance to purchase a part of Disney history for only $10 that would go to a local children's charity. Well, what would that be? That would be your official Main Street Electrical Parade light bulb. The farewell season for the Main Street Electrical Parade is one I remember well with their clever slogan, "Catch all the magic before it's glowing, glowing gone," set to the 1967 Baroque hoedown and integrated with well-known Disney tunes. The parade, which was my absolute favorite, would prove to be an important part of Disney prop culture. There were dozens of parade floats, everything from Cinderella, Pete's Dragon, Small World, Alice in Wonderland, and even for a short while, a float from Disney's Return to Oz. Well, so what happened after the lights went dark? Well, the parade would travel to New York, where it would delight over 8 blocks with its dazzling lights to promote what upcoming release? Hercules. Well, then they would float on over to Paris, then back to California Adventure, Magic Kingdom in Florida, and even Disneyland again in 2017 and 2019. Well, anyway, back to the bulbs. There were approximately 575,000 lights in 6 different colors. So let's see what colors I have. Now there was amber, blue, chartreuse, green, pink, red, okay, and also clear. Now what was the most popular color? Amber. So this one here in particular, this is the one that I remember my mom got me back when they were doing the order for these. As you can see, it's an orange bulb. When it arrived, it would have been sealed like this with a plastic covering. You open that up, take the bulb out, flip it up, and the first thing everyone tried to do was find out how do you turn the light bulb on. And unfortunately, the light bulbs do not turn on, but this is how they can be displayed. So as you can see here to my left, I have a couple different colors. I've got a pink, a chartreuse, and a green light bulb as well. Most of them are all within their, I just opened them just for this video in particular. Like I said, they include this little plastic sleeve that tells you what charities received the funds. This one's really neat in particular because it was signed by Disney legend Bill Justice. Why did he sign it? Well, because he was one of the original Imagineers that designed this attraction. But anyway, back to these items here. Speaking of lighting them up, did you know that they needed 27 tons of batteries to light up the parade, which is just enough to power completely 32 homes every night. So a lot of electricity was used. Now in that farewell season, there was a couple different things that you could purchase. I want to kind of show some of the items that I have here. You can get your official farewell button. Everyone needs one of these, your official farewell address book, because that was, you know, still a thing in the 1990s. I love the different designs and artwork on it. Something else that I have here, which is an official Disneyland farewell tour pen. And if I open the pen up, there it goes. And if you click it, it still lights up. Pretty good. I can't get batteries to last very long in my remote, but they still work in this pen all the way back from the 90s. And then one other thing that I had that I thought was worth sharing is that this here is an original picture vinyl. A picture vinyl is a record that has a picture embedded, and this, as you can probably guess, is the full soundtrack to the Main Street Electrical Parade. So, I don't know, I guess that was something kind of fun, especially with all these light bulbs and kind of history that it was going away, but then it came back and toured, and you know, I don't know, I guess that was something kind of neat and fun. Perhaps you have a light bulb, perhaps you wanted one, perhaps you remember seeing the parade just a couple years ago when it came back for one more return. Be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll talk soon. Farewell season for the Main... light up the show, which is...
Are you serious? Wow, you really have turned into a diva.
No, actually I didn't get this one.
Ugh.
Hey Jason.